Thank you for that. I'm 17 years old and my brother is 21. Our mother does not allow us to leave the house at all, except rarely for necessities such as getting a haircut, and even then she accompanies us. She doesn't allow us to go to the masjid for any prayers except Jum'ah. We try to respectfully and diplomatically ask our mom to let us go to the mosque more regularly, but to no avail. No matter what we say, she refuses to let us because she has a fear of that something might happen to us. Disobeying her is not an option because she may physically punish us or hide the house keys to prevent us from leaving. Given the situation, are we excused from attending the mosque?
If you're compelled and forced at gunpoint, like you're describing your mom to be, in this case, yes, you are. But if there is a way to duplicate the house keys and to leave, you must leave. If your mother, with all due respect, and excuse my language, if she's crazy, this does not justify for you to skip mandatory acts, and obeying her is not an option in these things. You're not girls to be confined in the home and not to be exposed. You have to go to the masjid, you have to go to school, you have to behave as men and act like men. She being in a bad mental state of mind, she's being a mental patient, does not justify you not going for what Allah has ordered you to do. You have to do your level best.